Well, my main aim is to kind of teach kids that making things from scratch can be fun, and it's also a lot more nutritious for them, because they then know what they're putting in their food, rather than going and buying something and probably don't know half the things that's in it. Okay, so we're just going to use the end of the rolling pin just to break them down a little bit, just so that they're nice little chunks.
When we were making the cakes, I liked it when we were all making all the things into the big bowl, and then we were doing our hats. I liked when we were doing our hats, it was fun.
Now once we've got our shape as well, what we're going to do is we're just going to gently pat it down, especially around the edges, just to make sure that we've got all the air bubbles out.
Well, it's really fun, so it is, and the pizzas smell nice, and I'm really desperate to eat my pizza.
Right, there's some tomato sauce and there's the cheese, so if you just pass that all round.
This is one of the was one of the most fun things me and my friend Katie have done.
We went everywhere together, and this is the most funnest thing you could ever do.
It's fantastic for them. You can see that the kids down here just now, they're having a ball, all mucking in yet, just a wee learning experience for them.
It's something new that they probably wouldn't choose to do in home. Maybe they will start now in home, doing a bit of cooking.
Not a TV in sight, they're happy as Larry.
I know, exactly. No, they're really enjoying it, so it's something new for them to get involved in, and yeah.
It's been a great day for them.